Hello ATNs! Welcome back to my channel. Panalo na naman ang SB19. May awards na naman sila. Sa Village People Choice Awards sa Pilipinas, ang dami nilang nakuwang awards. Na ito ang ating listahan sa kanilang mga awards. Congratulations SB19!
But it's too late now. I remember you and me, and how careless we could be.
All day and all night, we'd stay up, it felt so right. We were so young, we were so dumb. We would get drunk and then hook up. We were okay, we were alright, staying awake till the sunrise. We were in love, couldn't stop us, like a good drug. Never